It's a great question. First, I want to challenge a little bit the idea that, the commercial world has adopted all this and everything's great. I mean, I was at a customer advisory board meeting a few months ago where we had our top customers from both commercial and public sector, and one of the very intense evening conversations around the table with a very large organization. It's a soft drink company, and there's only a few very large ones of those. Said they captivated the audience with an intense description of how they were trying to get their mainframe apps off of a platform that IBM was finally going to end of life and was going to charge them another $2 million for the new version. And they're like, we got to be done. But they couldn't even log into the system. They had lost their credentials for this mainframe application. So it's everywhere. Everywhere there's legacy. Everywhere there's those challenges. The good news, the future, the exciting part, I would say is. I think it's the security is the exciting part of all this, because when you automate these systems and when you build security into that DevOps pipeline, the source of so many security problems in the past has been human error or just configuration mistakes that people have made and just not following best practices as far as basic things like multi-factor authentication, et cetera, et cetera. All of these huge cyber breaches that we've experienced over the last couple of years almost always involve very simple errors that should have been caught and can be caught in an environment in which you have software doing the checking on the proper configuration of the environment. So I'm really excited about the impact of security on these new processes, because I think it's going to be a huge win for everybody.
Excellent.